Hi everybody, I'm Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures.
And I'm Easton from Easton's Edge.
Right now we are on board the massive Icon of the Seas.
We're going to take you on a room tour through room 3402. It's an inside room. Hey guys, come on in. So, I'm going to take you guys on a quick tour of the inside stateroom. Starting over here on this side, we have like a nice little table here. You could set your stuff down.
And this table moves, so you can drag it over by the bed in case you want to eat breakfast in bed.
Yep. And then we have a nice chair here. You can sit in front of the mirror, do whatever.
Get ready.
Drawer here with room service. So this is the breakfast menu. So you just fill out all this information.
And look at the breakfast menu here because a lot of people want to see what's available for breakfast. Okay.
And hang that on your door.
Oh, I noticed lots of USB outlets so you can charge all of your devices.
That's right. And then we have an agenda here and some specialties here. Let me push this chair back.
All right.
Get out of the way. More outlets over there, light switches.
All right.
We have drawer space.
There's a hairdryer in there.
Yep.
Kleenex. Maybe people want to know what the hairdryer is. All right.
There we go. We have more drawer space here and here. And then on this side, we have, honestly, like the miniest mini fridge.
That is the miniest mini fridge. Maybe you could fit in, I don't know, 10 cans of soda.
Super tiny lamp here, remote for the flat screen TV, which we will get to in a second. So, unlike the balcony room, the inside stateroom does not have a couch, but it does have one of these nice chairs. Nice little stool here. Let's take a look over here at all of this closet space. So yeah, we have a ton of closet space. Nice little hooks there. Hangers here. Storage.
Baskets to...
And those aren't part of the closet
put
either.
your clothes in.
We have your phone, your light switch here, another USB port right under that. Main light switch to everything just in case you don't want to get out of bed, which most of the time you don't.
Oh, and there's a regular prong outlet there as well next to that side of the bed.
That's right. And we also have a nice lamp over here. Again, same thing. Shelving space as well.
Is there a USB charging port on this side of the bed?
I didn't see one, no.
I'm going to look all the way under. No, there's not. So there's only a charging port on the one side of the bed. And I want to add really fast that this bed is a queen, but it does separate out into two twins if you're traveling with a buddy or a roommate.
Right, and there are two USB ports right under here to make up for the ones that's over there. Tons of shelving space.
Shelves, you can put your phone right there and whatever and charge it. Oh, were you going to TV?
Yes, flat screen TV.
Nice big TV. It is really big, guys. I like how they put it in the frame with the backlighting. All right.
Floor to ceiling mirror right here. Hooks, more stuff like this. I'll take you in the bathroom. So they did make the rooms feel a lot bigger, but I think that they sacrificed space in the bathroom to do that.
I agree.
So let's take a look in here though. We got sinks. You know, you still have all your essentials, a little drawer here.
Let me zoom down here. Okay.
Glasses, toilet, all the essentials. You have your shower here, which has like an interesting revolving door mechanism. That's weird. But yeah.
Okay, shower.
Towels.
The towels are in the shower. Oh. All right. It takes me a minute to look down without making people dizzy. There's a bench in the shower. And there is...
hair and body wash.
Hair and body wash all in one.
Mm-hmm.
Not conditioner. That's okay. Bring your own. Oh, and there's some shelves in the corner of the bathroom right here. Additional shelving space. Okay. And was there anything else? Oh, right behind the mirror. Open the mirror. Because...
Open the mirror.
Open the mirror.
Oh, I was not privy to that. Safe. Perfect.
More shelves, and that's your safe.
Passports, wallets, cash, all that good stuff.
All this stuff. Keep it locked up.
Last
Use
thing.
the safe. Oh, last thing. Oh.
Space for luggage under the bed.
Yep. It looks like there's some extra bedding under there right now, but the beds are tall enough that you can store your luggage under the bed, so you have lots of room in the room.
And I think that's going to do it. Thank you guys for joining us of our tour of the inside room. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below.
If you would like complimentary concierge planning assistance for your next cruise or other vacation, look me up. My name is Melissa. You'll find me at pixiedustadventures.com. No matter where you go or who you travel with, I wish you an absolute amazing adventure. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.